just been eating my chicken, just resting, trying to get fluid out of my body. Okay. But can you go to the groceries and get me something to eat? Yeah, I can do that. Chicken, where you at? Chicken, where's my chicken? Chicken, my best friend, where are you? Oscar, have you seen chicken? No. Well, I must have him.
How did you get my feet?
I just bought him this chicken for nothing.
I don't know. I'm trying to go find him.
Okay, thank you. Hey, have you seen my friend, Chicken? No. Please, you have to help me. I just bought him this chicken, and I paid for it. This cost me a lot of chicken, you know. Oh, it did? Okay, I will help you then.
And now, look.
Okay, bye. Man, this ain't working out for me. I'm hungry. Stop! B! Chicken! Oscar, where are y'all? Please! I'm scared. I'm finna wake myself. Oh, there you go, B. Have you found my friend? No?
I haven't found him yet. Look, when I do, I will tell you.
Okay.
Where is Chicken?
Hey, Chicken! Get my friends! Chicken! Yeah, I say chicken! No!
I might come in. I'm going to have you for some dinner. I'm going to be right on my grill.
That's all, guys.